Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Kia Forte5 EX trim level. Car comes with alloy wheels, signal repeaters in the mirrors, fog lights, and a beautiful silver paint job. That green sticker you see in the upper right hand corner of the windshield is telling us that the Kia is certified pre-owned under a Kia Canada certification program. Check out the features and benefits of that program for yourself when you come down to drive this little Kia Forte. Going down the car, a sign on the driver's window that says Sirius XM is on. That indicates that you get 3 months of free Sirius XM radio to try it out. See how much you'll enjoy that. Of course, power windows, locks, and mirrors. That top switch will cause the mirrors to fold in. Some of the control functions. This little Forte only has 18,961 kilometers. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls as well as various other functions for the car. Of course, Sirius XM showing on the radio. There's also AM FM channels. The car does have a backup camera. We have dual zone climate control, auxiliary USB ports, heated cloth seats in the front and the drive mode select. And the driver's seat is height adjustable. Going to have a look at the back seats now. Plenty of room back here for your passengers. Everybody can ride in comfort in this little Forte5. Going around the back. Nice large compartment back here to carry things. Groceries, sports equipment, any kind of outdoor gear. Anything you need to carry around. Of course, there's also a cargo shelf to keep your stuff from prying eyes, so everything is relatively safe. Shot of that EX badge. Okay, this little 2017 Forte5 with very low kilometers is located at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday and Saturday, and 11 to 5 on Sunday. Best way to make an informed decision about your next purchase, come down and drive the car. Bring the family down, see how well the family fits in the car, and see how well the car fits your lifestyle. Again, West Coast Kia.